Hey folks, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we'll see how one can create one of the easiest social media logos, that is Facebook logo, in just a few steps. If you're watching this channel for the first time, subscribe to Graphicsia to learn more about Photoshop, Illustrator and graphical designing. So without further ado, let's get started. Similar to the logo creations in the previous videos, I have created a new document with width to height in the ratio of 1:1. If you haven't watched that videos, I'll provide them in the I button. Now moving to this video, I'll import the reference logo first. After importing the logo, let's start creating logo. The first thing that we want for this logo is a background. For this background, we'll go to the shapes tool and select the rounded rectangle tool. By pressing the shift and alt together, we'll create a square of desired size. After creating the square, we'll align it to the center by pressing the align buttons. Now we'll adjust the curves so that it resembles the logo. Once that's done, now we'll set the fill color to blue. For that, select the eyedrop tool and select the reference color from the reference logo. Now the next and the final step is to insert the F into the logo. The font similar to that of the F in the logo is Claviga. If you want the font, I'll provide it in the description. You can get it from there. So the final step is to go to the text tool and insert the letter F. Make sure it's Claviga. We'll set it to bold. We'll select it and set it to bold. Now place the F whereas it is in the logo. Now change the fill color to white. Now as you can see, there are slight dissimilarities with the F in the logo and the F in the logo that we have created. So let's get rid of those dissimilarities. The two main differences are there is a slant at the dash of this F, as well as there is no slant at the head of this F. So we have to make these two changes. With the letter selected, go to Objects, select Expand and press OK. Zoom in for better convenience. With the direct selection tool, we'll create the slant as well as we'll get rid of the slope at the head of the F. So let's do that. Now as you can see, when we have removed the dissimilarities, this logo exactly resembles the logo of Facebook. I hope this video will help. For more free tutorials on Photoshop, Illustrator and graphical designing, subscribe and follow Graphicsia. If you have already subscribed, leave a like or comment on this video and keep supporting. Thank you.